Hey guys, what's going on? Good morning. If you're watching this in the morning, it's Anthony here, and I'm outside in beautiful Flagstaff. Ate breakfast with Amanda, and I'm just enjoying this amazing weather that we don't get in Phoenix. It's beautiful out here. It's like 70 degrees compared to 109. Guys, we're in the car.
Day two.
We're heading to a sunflower patch, a bunch of other places, so you guys will see that in today's vlog. Enjoy the video, and let's get into it. Guys, we made it to the first destination, which is a big open sunflower field. It's like huge. It literally goes like all behind us, all around us, all through there. It is a huge sunflower field, so we're hoping for awesome drone shots. Yeah, this is really exciting. I've never been to a sunflower field before. They're not like the big sunflowers, they're like the miniature ones, but it's still really beautiful. So we had to walk a little bit to get to the spot where we were gonna fly and take pictures. But once we arrived, we were greeted with a daisy field, not a sunflower field. I also recorded a whole entire introduction of Amanda's cousin Diana, but for some reason my phone acted up, so here's a clip of her taking pictures. Yeah, so once we took some pictures and hung out for a little bit, we got the drones in the air, and we were able to get some really amazing shots of this daisy field. And in the background, you can actually see what is referred to as the San Francisco Peaks, which you can see from pretty much anywhere in Flagstaff. Okay guys, so we just wrapped up here. We got some really good shots, and now we're going to the next location. We have made it to our spot in the woods here, and it is beautiful, as you can see by the clips. What are the white trees called?
Aspen.
Aspen trees. There are aspen trees everywhere. It is so awesome. So we're gonna fly the drones in this open area and get some more video and photos. It's gonna be awesome here. In case you're wondering, because I wasn't too specific, this is at an area near Snowball Ski Resort. It's actually called Snow Bowl, I believe. Snow Bowl Ski Resort. And it's in Flagstaff. It's really popular, and it's at a really high elevation. So where this footage was taken was at about, I'd say, 8,000 to 10,000 feet in elevation above sea level, I should say. It was extremely high up. It's really cool because aspen trees only grow at 5,000 feet above sea level. They can grow at sea level if the conditions are right, but most of the time you're only going to see them up in the mountains. So it was really cool to fly here and get a view of those aspens, and I definitely plan on coming back here at the beginning of fall to capture the aspens change from green to yellow. But there they are. I'm flying over them in this shot. Really cool. Okay guys, so Amanda and I have made it into this remote area called Bismark Lake Trail, and we literally have this whole place to ourselves. But I gotta tell you, the ride here was really pushing the limits on my car.
It was several miles through the dirt.
Several
Watch
miles
this.
through the dirt.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so dusty. Like, the whole car is just dirty. It made it through, and I hit a gigantic bug. But yeah, now we're gonna hike this trail and see what it's about. Yeah, let's do it. So after hiking about 1.5 miles to Bismark Lake, we were just surrounded by nothing but trees, and there was absolutely no other people. And when we got to the lake, as you can see here, it was completely empty. The elevation here is 8,500 feet above sea level. So we were really high up there in the mountains, and we just walked around, hiked this area, and eventually found a really cool spot, as you're about to see. But it was really a cool experience finding this spot and hiking up into there. We had it all to ourselves. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the drone footage from this spot. We're packing up now. I pushed the drone to its limit. It had like 8% battery. So yeah, it was really close to just landing in the field over there. But yeah, now we're gonna head back to the car, I think, and do the next thing.
Hey.
Philo wants to jump out that window.
Watch what happens when we put the window up.
Oh my gosh.
He bites the glass.
Philo. Biting the glass.
He tries to like attack it.
Oh, Philo. Philo's a very special dog.
He's very, how do I say it nicely? He's high maintenance. He knows what he wants. He's a little sassy. But also he's such a huge baby, and he just loves to love you and sit on your lap, and
Oh, he is.
we love the little guy.
What a great dog.
Even if he's a little fussy.
Well guys, I want to show you this view. So this is the crazy view that we have on this dirt road, and what you're seeing to the right there is the ski resort called Snowball. We actually were up there today looking at the view, and to the left of that I believe is the San Francisco Peaks. So this is a really cool view on this dirt road, and my Ford Fusion is handling it pretty well.
Oh, hang on, get these rays of light coming through the clouds. Can you see that?
Yeah, wow.
It's so nice.
That is so nice. Yeah, this is an absolutely beautiful drive. We're making our way down this road, and we've spotted, I think, cattle. Wow, is that a bison? Wow.
Look, they have a camouflage of some small black wings.
Wow, look at this guy. Uh-huh. Look at that one though with the horns.
If anyone knows what animals this is, tell us in the comments.
Yeah, let us know. It's tagged, so these belong to somebody. I can tell that one with the horns is tagged. Wow. Yeah. That's so awesome, Philo. If you get out of the car. And then there's the black ones. Where? The one with the horns? Yeah, that's the one that looks like a bison to me, because it like has those weird horns. Let's see, can't zoom in that far. Okay guys, so we arrived at this spot called Sycamore Falls, but there's a lot of thunder and lightning and rain, so we decided we're just gonna probably wait and see if it stops or see what happens. But in the meantime, Amanda is flying her drone, and there's gonna
Last stop of the day.
be last stop of the day.
Yep.
And she's probably gonna get some really cool shots, so we'll see what it is. Uh-oh. Oh my God, that was right on top of us.
Yeah. And it's definitely raining now.
Yeah. Oh, that's some loud lightning, or loud thunder. Good thing I brought this towel so I can put it on my car, so I can keep my window open. There it is, guys. The canyon. And I was just saying, thank God for the drones, because we can be there without being there.
Yeah. I might as well be there. I'm out in the rain right now.
Yeah.
Anthony's in the car.
Yeah.
He's cozy. No, this canyon is very beautiful. It's not even running, and it's just amazing.
Philo, how you doing? He probably likes that.
Yeah, he hasn't experienced the rain too many times.
Wow, I just got lightning right next to your head. That was a sick shot. It literally just, wow, I have to show you that. Oh, there's the thunder. And that was literally right next to where the falls are. It came down like, this lightning's a little too close for comfort. Well, guys, we'll keep you updated. Amanda and I are back. We drove through a treacherous storm and crazy dirt roads, but we made it back safe. And now we're making food. So yeah, we're just gonna relax for the night. I'm gonna edit, or not, I don't know. We'll see. But
We gotta plan tomorrow.
yeah, we have to plan out tomorrow. That's true. So we're gonna figure that out, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
And that is it, guys. That is part 2 of our Flagstaff trip. It was a lot of fun making this video because we had a really fun day. And so it was cool to go back and see some of the highlights of the day and really get to go over those drone shots. I can't wait to put together the cinematic clips for you guys. Anyway, if you enjoyed today's video, definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you're updated when new videos come out. Also, make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up because that will help it rank in the algorithm. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.